Boom shakalaka, the flawless Bitcoin strategy signal just flashed where it's going and the first line of resistance. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we have a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including the one fail-proof signal where Bitcoin is likely headed and the first resistance we're likely to see. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, greed at 62, down from yesterday's 68. The overall market up about 2%. Bitcoin at 28,130, Ethereum at 1788, BNB at 335, XRP 45 cents, Cardano 37 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon $1.14, and Solana $22. And Bitcoin right now sitting just above the upper band of this ascending trend that Bitcoin has been in since the 200 daily moving average flashed the signal for massive gains back in January. And if we take a look, we have had bottoming pattern after bottoming pattern for Bitcoin. This time is no different. We had cup and handle, double bottom, another cup and handle, inverted head and shoulders, all of these suggesting Bitcoin has bottomed. Things are turning around. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin just broke out of a giant 2-year falling wedge. Now, the last time Bitcoin did this, back in 2017, look at the gains that we saw after it broke out of the falling wedge. We have this on the left here, this giant falling wedge just broken out, could send Bitcoin dramatically higher. Right now, if we take a look at the Rodal waves, so the realized cap hodl waves, it's a tool that groups the total amount of Bitcoin in circulation by age. It can help indicate periods when the market is overheated or when investors are fearful. Every time we turn, Bitcoin rallies. So you can see times when it has turned from going down to going up are highlighted here. We just recently had a turn. And if we take a look at times after it turned, Bitcoin exploded after every single time. This time may be no different. As a matter of fact, this indicator here has just flashed. The buy signal for Bitcoin has finally appeared. We've been waiting for it for a while on the monthly charts. You can see that each time it flashed, I mean, my goodness, if there was one signal that told you things were happening, this is it right here. We see the buy signal happening every time afterwards. It was drastic up-only territory for Bitcoin. Don't want to sound like a moon boy, but basically it's called every single top. And if you're one of those hesitant people that needs to sit on the fence until everything is lining up, this one has never failed. When Bitcoin breaks or crosses over this, a simple strategy that tells you when to buy Bitcoin with complete peace of mind, a strategy that worked 100% of the time in Bitcoin's history, buy when the price crosses a green line with confirmation on the weekly. If you zoom in right here, guess what? Last week broke above the green line. This week staying above the green line. This has been an indicator that has never failed in Bitcoin's history to predict bull runs, signaling once again. You don't want to sit on this stuff, or you do. It's not financial advice. Do what you want. But where could we be heading? Well, we are in the best 1,000 days of Bitcoin's lifespan, the best 3 out of 4 years. We have the 500 days before the halving, the 500 days after the halving. We could be heading into some serious territory. I mean, there's bets recently of $1 million Bitcoin, hundreds of thousands of dollars of Bitcoin is not off the table. But before we get there, we need to get through the bull market barrier band, which is this band that you can see right here. In previous cycles, this was the first resistance we saw. You can see it was resistance back here. You can see it was resistance here. And then once again, that could be resistance for Bitcoin, currently sitting roughly around $53,000. So if you want to buy in now, take some profits when the price doubles, and then buy again after the price drops. That might be the territory you're looking at if it plays out like that. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.